Okay, so the next question B2. Okay, subheading 1. There are 3 questions. Let me read the question once. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. How do you check? By dividing the second by the first polynomial. So here the first polynomial is given as t to the power 2, I guess, yes, t square minus 3, comma, means the second polynomial after comma, 2t to the power 4 plus 3t to the power 3 minus 2t to the power 2t square, in other words, 9t and minus 12. So how do we check whether the first polynomial t square minus 3 is a factor of the second polynomial 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 is the second polynomial. Is this t square minus 3, the first polynomial, a factor of this second polynomial? How do we check? Question is saying check by dividing the second by the first. So second by the first means write the second one here first. Second one, this one, inside. Means divide the second by the first means second is the dividend and the first is the divisor. Now while we're putting inside this sign, we have to make sure it's in standard form like we've been doing in the first question also. So highest degree term 2t to the power 4 in the first place plus 3t cube, here power 4, 3 lower, that's correct, minus 2t square lower, minus 9t lower than 2, so it's in descending order already, so this is in standard form. That is very important, okay, while dividing. Then here divisor outside, that also in standard form, t to the power 2, highest power of t outside, in this case t, unlike x in the normal usual way, in the usual expressions, and minus 3 already in standard form. Divisor also, dividend also in standard form. Then take the highest degree term of the dividend, means inside here highest degree is 4 power 3 2, so highest is 4, this term, so which is the first highest degree term is 2t to the power 4 and divided by the highest degree term of the divisor, which is t to the power 2, t square. 4 minus 2 is 2 left, so that will be equal to 2t square. So when you divide the highest degree term of dividend by divisor, we got t square, sorry, 2t square, 2t square, as you can see there. Now multiply this 2t square to the divisors, terms of the divisors. Plus and plus plus, 2t square into t square is 2, t square into t square, 2 to the power 2 plus 2, power 4. Plus and the minus, minus. 2 3s are 6t square, so 6t square. So that should not be there, it should go here. 6t square. Plus and minus, minus. 2 3s are 6 and t square. I didn't write here because this is t cube. So this is, just keep it like that. Then since multiplied both, stop. And then we change the sign of the lower terms here. Minus 6t square becomes plus 6t square, plus 2t to the power 4 becomes minus 2t to the power 4. So minus 2t to the power 4 and plus 2t to the power 4 becomes 0. Once you are done with that, then plus 6t square plus 6 and minus 2t square means minus bigger one up, smaller one down. Plus minus means subtract, 6 minus 2 is 4, bigger one plus, so here also plus. So we know plus 6t square minus 2t square is plus 4t square. I put here plus because there's a term here in front, 3t to the power 3, 3t cube in, rather, 3t cube, 3t cube, and this one. Here we just write 90, here minus 12. Now the remainder here, what we got, the degree is 3 still, higher than the divisor, so we have to continue. Divide the highest degree term of the new dividend, or remainder as we call it just now, or the new dividend. This is called the new dividend. Highest degree term by highest degree term of divisor, so t square, this 2 gone, 3 minus 2, 1 left, so 3t to the power 1 means 3t only, So you write here 3t means no sign plus, so 3t. This will multiply both these. So 3 into t, 3t into t square is 3t cubed. To the power t to the power 1 and 2 is 2 plus 1 t to the power 3, and 1, 3 ones are here. Our number in front is not there, means 1, 3. So plus into minus, minus 3t into 3 is 9t. So go here. This is not t, so minus 9t. Put a line. Since this has multiplied this and got this has multiplied both here, so we'll stop. Then change the sign of the lower terms. Plus 3t cubed becomes minus 3t cubed. Minus 9t becomes plus 9t. So plus 9t minus 9t is 0. Likewise, minus 3t cubed and plus 3t cubed is also 0. So we're left with 4t square. This is gone, and here minus 12. Now look here. The power of the new remainder is 2, t to the power 2. The degree is 2. Here the degree is 2. Still, degree of the remainder and the divisor are equal, so we have to continue till it goes lower. Okay, so highest degree term of the new dividend is 4t square plus 4t square divided by t square. That means division, these two will cancel and plus 4 is left. So we write here plus 4. You can write down those things, okay, to make yourself understand. Now plus into plus is plus, 4 into t square, 4t square, plus into minus is minus, 4 3s are 12. So put a dash. Change the signs of the lower terms. So here plus 4t square becomes minus 4t square. Minus 12 in the lower becomes plus 12. So plus 12 minus 12 0. 4t square minus 4t square 0. So remainder is 0. So we write here since, okay, remainder, since remainder, okay, a small letter here I think, because we've already started the sentence. Remainder is equal to 0. The, or hence, you can write here. Hence, the, check whether the first is a factor of the second. Hence, the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. So they told us to check, so we have checked. So hence check, you can write hence check. In short, you can write h hence checked. You can write like that. And if the remainder is not 0, then first polynomial is not a factor. If it's equal to 0, then first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. That's how we check whether a given polynomial is a factor of the other. Okay, second one. Now look here. Okay, let me explain. Is this a factor of the other? With simple number, is 2 a factor? No need to write factor of 6. First, second. So divide the second by the first. 2 3s are 6, and remainder 0. So remainder 0 means yes, 2 is a factor of 6. In other words, you see here 6, you know, is here. 2 3s are 6, so definitely 2 is a factor of 6 because 2 is going with 6, right? If it is suppose 7, then we take here 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 and remainder 1. So remainder is not 0, remainder is 1. So definitely 2 is not a factor of 7 because 2 doesn't go with 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7. 7 and 1 are factors of 7, but definitely 2 doesn't go with 7, so 2 is not a factor. We know that from simple situations of simple numbers. But the same rule will apply for polynomials also. I hope you're getting it. Okay, the next one. So remainder is 0 means it's a factor. If remainder is not 0, then it's not a factor. Okay, second one. Number 2. Let me read it. X squared. This is the first polynomial, plus 3x plus 1, and second one after comma is the second one. 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 2. So is this polynomial first one a factor of the second? How do we do it? The question is saying check by dividing the second. So 3x to the power 4 highest power, check it. Make sure it's in standard form once you're putting inside and outside the signs. So here plus 5x cube, then cube after the cube is square, so that's correct. Lower, the next highest is 2x, lower than 2, power 2 here, power 1, plus here no power of x, so the lowest one in last place, already in standard form. Then write down this one, x squared, first highest power 2, x to the power 1, second highest power, not the front, the powers of x, okay, and no x in the third. So already both the dividend and the divisor are in the standard form. Then take the highest degree term of the divisor, 3x to the power 4 divided by the highest degree term of the divisor, highest degree term of the dividend by highest degree term of the divisor, x squared, 4 minus 2, 2 left, so that is equal to 3x squared left. So when we do that, we're getting the first term in the question as 3x squared. Let that multiply these three terms of the divisor. 3 into x, 3 into 1, 3. X squared into x squared, x to the power 4, plus into plus, plus. 3 3s are 9. X squared into x, x cubed. So we put it here because they are like terms. Plus into plus, plus. 3x squared into 1, 3x squared, because now they are all like terms, so we're putting in the same column. Change the sign of the lower terms. So here plus 3x to the power 4 becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. So minus 3x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 4, 0. Minus 9 bigger, and here plus 5 smaller, put it down. Minus plus means subtract, 9 minus 5 is 4, bigger one minus, so here minus 4. So we know minus 9x cubed plus 5x cubed is minus 4x cubed. Then here minus 3, minus 7, both are minus means we add. So 7 plus 3, 10, and both minus means sign is minus after adding. So minus 7x squared plus minus 3x squared is minus 10x squared. And whatever is remaining, again we have to write it down to obtain the new remainder. So here plus 2x plus 2. Now the degree of this remainder here is highest power is cube 3, so the degree of this remainder is 3. Degree of the divisor highest power 2, so degree 2, degree 3 means still the remainder is higher degree, so we have to continue dividing. So take the highest degree term of the divisor, which is minus 4x to the power 3. There is no other higher degree than that. Degree means the power of x, x to the power 3 highest, x to the power 2. Highest degree term therefore is minus 4x cubed divided by the highest degree term of the divisor plus x squared, so these two cancel, 3 minus 2, 1. So left with you is minus 4, and here x to the power 1 means x minus 4x. So right here minus 4x. Okay, and minus into plus is minus. 4x into x squared is 4 ones are 4 first, multiply. X into x squared is x to the power 1, and here 2 means 1 plus 2, 3. Minus into plus is minus. 4 3s are 12. Then x into x is x squared, then minus into plus is minus, 4 ones are 4x. So put a long line and change the sign of the lower ones, minus to plus, minus to plus, minus to plus. So minus 4x cubed and plus 4x cubed is 0. Minus 10 plus 12 is plus 2x squared, minus plus 12 bigger, minus 10 smaller, so subtract 2 minus 0, and then here plus, that's why plus 2x squared. Plus 2 and plus 4 is plus 6, both plus means we have 6x plus 2. So we need not put this plus because this is the first term of the remainder we got. Still its degree is highest is 2, here also 2, so equal, we have to still continue dividing. Highest degree term of the new dividend, this one is the new dividend, divided by the highest degree term of divisor, so this 2 cancel means plus 2 is left. So we write here plus 2. 2 into x squared is 2x squared plus into plus, plus 2 3s are 6, and here x, so write it there. Plus into plus is plus, 2 1s are 2. Put a long line and change the signs of the lower one. Minus becomes plus, also plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Minus 2x squared plus 2x squared 0, plus 6x minus 6, plus 6x minus 6x 0, minus 2x plus 2x 0, so remainder is 0. So we write the same thing, since remainder is 0, hence the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial, hence checked. Just write it down, this one. Okay, this one. Now let's go into the last one. So first two are factors, because remainders are 0 in the first two questions. The last one, let us check whether it's likewise or different. So the third one and the last one for this test portion. So let us see here. Read the thing. First polynomial there. X cubed minus 3x plus 1. The first one. Second one is x to the power, sorry, 4x. 4x, no. X cubed actually, sorry. X cubed minus 4x, no, x cubed, x to the power 5. 4x cubed plus x squared plus 3x plus 1. So to check whether this first polynomial, this one is a factor of this second one, we have to divide the second one by the first one. So put a sign and write this one second one by divided by first one, this one inside. Instead from highest power x to the power 5. Next highest 3. So gap is there, 4 is missing, so just keep gap in case you need this space. You may not need also. Then here plus, I think in this case you may not need, plus x cubed, then next is 2. Next lower than 2 is 1, so 3x to the power, no number means 1 is there, and then plus 1. And this one also standard from highest x to the power 3, second highest x to the power 1, and no x, so it's already both are inside as well as outside. The terms are in standard form. Take the highest degree term of the dividend, x to the power 5, as we can see, divided by the highest degree term of the divisor, x to the power 3. So these two cancel. 5 minus 3 is 2. So you're getting x squared. So you write your x squared. Plus into plus plus. X, just write it. 2 plus 3, the power is 5. Plus into minus. Minus. I think no need of gap for this one. Anyway, just keep. It's okay. Minus 3x, 3 1s are 3. Then x into x squared, or x squared into x. 2 plus 1, power here 2, here no power means 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3, so x cubed. Plus into plus, plus. X squared into 1, x squared. And put a long line, change the lower signs. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. This plus becomes minus. So minus plus means this 2 becomes 0. Minus 4, bigger one, plus 3, because this has been changed from minus to plus. Subtract minus plus, so 4 minus 3, 1, bigger one minus, so here minus 1, so minus 1 means no need to write the 1, minus x cubed. Then minus x squared plus x squared is also 0. So write the next one, plus 3x, next plus 1. Now still it's this remainder, x to the power 3, the degree is 3, here degree is 3. Equal, so we have to go one more step. So divide the highest degree term of the dividend, new dividend, x to the power minus, not x to the power 3, minus x cubed by plus x cubed. So when you cancel this, you're left with minus, and no number means 1. So write your minus 1. Okay. Then minus into plus, minus 1 into x cubed, minus and minus, plus 1 into 3x, 3x. Minus into plus, minus, and 1 1s are 1. Put a long line. Then change the signs of the lower one, lower expression. So this lower one, higher, upper one, lower one. Minus x cubed becomes plus x cubed. Plus 3x becomes minus 3x. Minus 3 becomes, minus 1 becomes plus 1. plus x cubed minus x cubed 0, plus 3x minus 3x 0, plus 1, here also plus 1, so plus 1 is plus 2. Both plus means we add 1 plus 1 2, and sign also plus. So since remainder is 2 means it's not equal to 0, write like this, hence the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial, hence checked. I hope you got it. Okay, now you can go and do the test. Okay.